Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a vehicle with AutoCheck step by step clearly. To register a vehicle with AutoCheck, start by navigating to the AutoCheck website. On the home page, locate the option for vehicle registration. Click on the registration link to proceed. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your vehicle information. Prepare your vehicle's VIN, which stands for Vehicle Identification Number. Once you have your VIN, enter it into the designated field. Next, select the make and model of your vehicle from the drop-down menus. After filling in the necessary details, click the Check Vehicle button to continue. The system will retrieve information related to your vehicle. Carefully review any details presented, ensuring they match your records. If everything looks accurate, proceed to agree to the terms and conditions. Find the registration form on the following page. Fill out the remaining required information, such as your contact details. Double-check all entries for accuracy before submission. After confirming your information, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email once your registration is processed. Keep this email for your records as proof of registration. Should you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the website for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth vehicle registration process with AutoCheck. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.